bell button.
In this video, we will see how to calculate maximum efficiency of a single phase transformer. The problem is a 250 kVA single phase transformer has iron loss of 1.8 kilowatt. Then the full load copper loss is 2000 watts and calculate maximum efficiency at 0.8 lagging power factor and kVA supplied at maximum efficiency. First we'll write the given data. So the VA rating of the transformer is 250 kVA. So VA rating is 250 kVA. So 250 into 10 power 3 VA. Next the data is iron loss, which is given as 1.8 kilowatt. So iron loss will denote it as PI, which is equal to 1800 watt. So instead of 1.8 kilowatt, we are writing it in watt, that is 1800 watt. Next data is the full load copper loss, which is 2000 watt. So P copper full load copper loss is 2000 watts. The next data is we have to calculate maximum efficiency at 0.8 lagging. So cos phi is given as 0.8. We know the percentage maximum efficiency formula is V2 I2M cos phi divided by V2 I2M cos phi plus 2 pi into 100. In this, V2 is the terminal voltage across the load, I2M is the load current at maximum efficiency and cos phi is the load power factor and pi is the iron loss. In this, I2M is equal to I2 full load current, that is the full load secondary current into root of pi, iron loss divided by full load copper loss. This is the formula for I2M. So now we have to substitute the value of I2M here. So we'll get percentage efficiency, maximum efficiency equal to V2 into, instead of I2M, substitute this I2 full load into root of pi divided by P copper full load into cos phi divided by V2 into, instead of I2M, substitute I2 full load into root of pi divided by P copper full load into cos phi plus 2 pi into 100. We know that VA rating is product of voltage into current. So the product of V2 I2 is nothing but the VA rating of the transformer. So instead of V2 I2 full load current, write VA rating into the same root of pi P copper full load into cos phi divided by, instead of V2 I2 full load, write VA rating of the transformer into root of pi divided by P copper full load into cos phi plus 2 pi into 100. So we can calculate maximum efficiency by using this formula or this formula or by using this formula. So based on the given data, we have to choose any one of this formula. In the given problem, we have VA rating, iron loss and full load copper loss and power factor cos phi. So for the given data, the suitable equation is this: percentage maximum efficiency equal to VA rating into root of pi P copper full load into cos phi divided by VA rating into root of pi P copper full load into cos phi plus 2 pi. So based on the data, we have to choose any one of this formula. First we'll calculate root of pi divided by P copper full load, which is nothing but root of pi is iron loss, which is 1800 watt. So substitute this 1800 divided by P copper full load. Full load copper loss is given as 2000 watt. So substitute 2000. So which is equal to root of 0.9. So which is equal to 0.94868. So root of pi divided by P copper full load is 0.94868. Now we'll calculate percentage maximum efficiency, which is equal to, first we have to substitute VA rating. VA rating is given as 250 into 10 power 3. Substitute this 250 into 10 power 3 into, next we have to substitute root of pi divided by P copper full load. So that is 0.94868. So 0.94868 into cos phi. Cos phi is given as 0.8. So substitute this 0.8 divided by VA rating is 250 into 10 power 3 into root of PI divided by P copper full load, which is 0.94868. Substitute this 0.94868 into cos phi. Cos phi is 0.8. So substitute plus 2 into PI. PI is nothing but iron loss, which is 1800. So 2 into 1800. So which is 3600 into 100, which is equal to 1,89,736 divided by, the denominator also will get same, 1,89,736 plus 3,600 into 100, which is equal to 1,89,736 divided by, if you add these two, will get 1,93,336 into 100, which is equal to 98.137 percentage. So the percentage maximum efficiency is 98.137 percentage. So first we have calculated the maximum efficiency at 0.8 lagging. Next we have to calculate kVA supplied at maximum efficiency. So the formula for kVA supplied at maximum efficiency is, kVA at maximum efficiency formula is, it's very simple, kVA into root of PI divided by P copper full load. This kVA is nothing but kVA rating of the transformer, which is given as 250 kVA. So substitute this, which is equal to 250 into root of, the iron loss is given as 1800 watt and copper loss is 2000 watt. So substitute this, iron loss is 1800 divided by copper loss is 2000 watt. So if you solve this, you will get 237.1708 kVA. Here we have written the rating of the transformer in kVA. So here also we'll get the answer in kVA. So the kVA at maximum efficiency is 237.1708 kVA. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.